Hello friends, I am Batuhan. Today I would like to introduce my project which is temperature indicator with LabView. Main purpose of my project is making measurement instantly by connectivity between Arduino LabView with using integrated circuit. Firstly, let's check our components to make this measurement. Our components are LM35, breadboard, Arduino Uno, and 3 jumper cables. After the connection of these parts, we need to create LabView algorithm. Firstly, we need to write tables and visuals about measurement. So, we want to measure Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin heat in area. Now we are ready to make our algorithm in our LabView program. This is the most important part of our project because we identified our algorithm in this section to LabView. We need to start with reading analog signals for gain LM35's voltage data. After that, we are ready to make calculations to find magnitude of temperature in area. Our logic is making link between heat and voltage. LM35 calculates 1 degree per 1 millivolt, so we need to multiply voltage of this signal and we will find Celsius value. After that, we can easily find Kelvin and Fahrenheit temperature. After all these steps, we are ready to start our simulation to find temperature of area. Warning: we must not forget to choose serial port to make connection. We have already started our simulation and we can see room temperature as 20 degrees and all graphics are able to show relation between temperature and time. Also, I would like to give extra for you guys. I lighted LM35 to increase temperature instantly because I want to sure about instantaneous of connection. Thanks for watching and see you again.